Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your Facebook business page private. If you're looking to limit visibility and control who can find or interact with your business page, this tutorial will walk you through the essential privacy settings to help you achieve that. First, navigate to facebook.com and log into your Facebook business account. Once you're on your business homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the profile icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing your account and settings. From the drop-down menu, locate and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand another menu where you'll need to click on Settings again. This is your main hub for controlling how your business page functions and who can see what on your profile. You'll now be directed to your Facebook Business Settings page. Take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll find various sections for managing different aspects of your page. What you're looking for here is the option labeled How People Find and Contact You, which is located under the Audience and Visibility section. Click on this to access the controls that determine how discoverable your page is both on and off Facebook. Once you're in this section, you'll see two important options that directly impact your page's visibility. The first allows search engines outside of Facebook to link to your page, meaning Google and other search engines can index and display your business page in their results. The second option allows your page to be recommended to people looking at similar pages, which increases your reach but also your public exposure. To make your page more private, you'll want to disable both of these. Simply click on the toggle button next to each option to turn them off. This ensures that your page won't appear in external search results and won't be automatically suggested to users browsing similar pages. Now, return to the left navigation menu and locate the section labeled Followers and Public Content. It's important to note here that some of these options are fixed to being public by Facebook's design, so you'll only be able to change what the platform allows. Click on this section to access additional privacy controls. Within this section, find the option that says Who can see the people and pages you follow. Click on it and change the setting to Only Me. This prevents others from seeing which accounts or pages your business follows, adding another layer of privacy to your profile. Next, look for the Public Post Notifications option and change that to Only Me as well. This ensures that notifications about your public activity are visible only to you and not shared broadly. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted the key privacy settings on your Facebook business page to limit its visibility and control who can interact with or discover your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.